The first section of the STAR-LRP application is around program eligibility. You will notice that each question generates a follow-up question based on the answer to the first. The goal of this section is to determine if the applicant is eligible for STAR-LRP. Throughout the cards, there will be references to additional information and examples, such as seen here, highlighted with a blue hyperlink indicator. Applicants may use these supplemental resources in order to ensure they are properly answering the questions. In addition, there are tooltips throughout the eligibility questions, indicated by the small blue question mark circle. In order to read the associated information, an applicant may click on the tooltip, where they will be given more information regarding a specific term or a specific clarifier around something regarding the eligible question. Tooltips may be closed simply by clicking the X in the top right of the pop-out. As applicants move through, they will be able to answer simple yes or no questions, which will be saved as they hit save and continue to move forward in the application at the bottom of the screen. Applicants may change their information by toggling up and clicking into a different radio button. As is seen in this card specifically, a yes or no indication will update the further required questions about eligibility based on the applicant's answers. When an applicant is successfully navigating through the eligibility cards and is ready to move forward, save and continue will collect their response. They will then be pushed forward to the personal information section of the STAR-LRP application. The applicant at any time has the ability to navigate backwards through previously completed sections by using the left navigation menu. In the case that an applicant would like to change their information, they are still able to do this after moving forward throughout the application section. In this case, I've updated some of my eligibility question answers to demonstrate what happens when an applicant will be deemed ineligible from the program eligibility page of the application. Based on the answers, this message will be shown indicating not eligible status, as well as an abbreviated list of the basic eligibility requirements for review.